The year is 2025. The world watches as a silent epidemic sweeps across continents, leaving a trail of heartbreak and uncertainty in its wake. Families are torn apart, communities are shaken, and the emotional toll is immeasurable. This is not a new virus, not a sudden natural disaster, but a growing health crisis that has been steadily gaining momentum for decades: dementia. A condition that slowly erodes the mind, leaving behind a shell of the person who once was. Today, over 55 million people worldwide live with this devastating condition, each day facing the challenges it brings. A number projected to skyrocket to a staggering 78 million by the end of this decade. This exponential rise is alarming and calls for immediate action. These are not just statistics. They represent mothers, fathers, grandparents, friends, each one a life profoundly affected by a disease that slowly steals away the essence of who they are. The memories, the shared moments, the very identity of a person is at stake. What makes this epidemic even more alarming is its silent and insidious nature. It doesn't announce its arrival with a bang, but rather creeps in, unnoticed at first. Unlike a heart attack or a stroke, dementia often creeps in unnoticed, gradually chipping away at cognitive function until the signs become impossible to ignore. By the time it's recognized, significant damage has often already been done, gradually chipping away at cognitive function until the signs become impossible to ignore. The early stages might be dismissed as mere forgetfulness, but the reality is far more sinister. Memory lapses, confusion, difficulty finding the right words. These seemingly innocuous symptoms can be early warning signs of a much larger problem brewing beneath the surface. It's a slow descent into a world where reality becomes increasingly fragmented. The impact of dementia extends far beyond the individual. It ripples through families, affecting relationships and altering the dynamics of daily life. Families bear the brunt of the emotional and financial burden, often becoming full-time caregivers for their loved ones. The role reversal can be overwhelming, as children find themselves caring for their parents, often becoming full-time caregivers for their loved ones. The sacrifices made are immense, and the emotional toll can be devastating. The global cost of dementia is estimated to be over $1 trillion annually, a figure that is only expected to rise as the population ages, placing a significant strain on healthcare systems and economies worldwide. The resources required to care for dementia patients are vast, and the financial implications are staggering. The urgency to address this growing crisis has never been greater. We must act now to find solutions, to support those affected, and to prevent future cases. As we navigate the complexities of this global health challenge, understanding the enemy is paramount. What exactly is dementia? What causes it? How can we detect it early and manage its progression? And most importantly, what can we do to combat its devastating effects? The answers to these questions hold the key to alleviating the suffering of millions and preventing the spread of this silent epidemic. Dementia, contrary to popular belief, is not a single disease, but rather an umbrella term encompassing a range of conditions that affect the brain. These conditions are often progressive, meaning they worsen over time, and they can affect people in different ways depending on which parts of the brain are impacted. These conditions share a common thread. They all lead to a decline in cognitive function, impacting memory, thinking, language, and behavior, ultimately interfering with a person's ability to carry out daily activities. This can make even the simplest tasks, like remembering names or following a recipe, incredibly challenging. Imagine a computer slowly losing its ability to process information, store data, and communicate effectively. That is, in essence, what happens to the brain in dementia. The brain's intricate network of neurons begins to break down, leading to a loss of function and connectivity. The most prevalent form of dementia, accounting for roughly 60 to 80% of cases, is Alzheimer's disease. This form of dementia is particularly insidious because it often starts with subtle symptoms that gradually become more severe over time. Characterized by the accumulation of abnormal protein deposits in the brain, Alzheimer's leads to the gradual death of brain cells, causing irreversible damage. These protein deposits, known as plaques and tangles, disrupt the normal functioning of neurons. Other types of dementia include vascular dementia, Lewy body dementia, and frontotemporal dementia, each with its own unique set of characteristics and challenges. Vascular dementia, for instance, is often caused by strokes or other issues that reduce blood flow to the brain. Each type of dementia presents differently, with symptoms that can range from memory loss and confusion to changes in personality and behavior. Understanding these differences is crucial for accurate diagnosis and treatment. The human brain is an intricate network of billions of nerve cells that communicate through electrical and chemical signals. These signals are essential for everything we do, from thinking and remembering to moving and feeling. Dementia disrupts this delicate balance, impairing the brain's ability to function correctly. This disruption can lead to a wide array of symptoms, depending on which parts of the brain are affected. As the disease progresses, different areas of the brain are affected, leading to a wide range of symptoms that vary from person to person. Some may experience severe memory loss, while others might struggle with language or exhibit significant changes in behavior. Understanding the different types of dementia, their causes, and how they progress is crucial in developing effective diagnostic tools, treatments, and ultimately, a cure. Research is ongoing, and every new discovery brings us one step closer to better management and potential prevention. The more we learn about this complex condition, the better equipped we will be to combat its devastating effects and provide hope to the millions affected worldwide. Through continued research, support, and awareness, we can make a difference in the lives of those living with dementia and their families. Unraveling the complexities of dementia necessitates delving into its root causes. This journey into understanding is both intricate and multifaceted, requiring a deep dive into various contributing elements. While there is no single culprit responsible for this multifaceted condition, it is essential to recognize the interplay of numerous factors that collectively influence its onset and progression. A combination of factors, both genetic and environmental, contribute to its development. These factors do not act in isolation, but rather interact in complex ways that we are only beginning to understand. Age, the most significant risk factor, paints a concerning picture. As our global population ages, the incidence of dementia is projected to rise exponentially. This demographic shift underscores the urgency of addressing dementia on a global scale. Beyond the passage of time, genetics play a crucial role in determining an individual's susceptibility to dementia. The study of genetics provides valuable insights into how certain individuals may be more predisposed to developing the condition. Researchers have identified specific genes that increase the risk of developing certain types of dementia, such as Alzheimer's disease. These genetic markers serve as important clues in the ongoing quest to understand and combat dementia. However, inheriting these genes does not guarantee the development of the disease. Rather, it increases an individual's predisposition. This means that while genetics are important, they are not the sole determinants of one's cognitive fate. Lifestyle factors, often within our control, significantly impact our cognitive health. Engaging in regular physical activity, maintaining a balanced diet, and avoiding harmful habits can all contribute to better brain health. Maintaining optimal cardiovascular health through diet, exercise, and blood pressure management is paramount. These practices not only benefit the heart, but also play a crucial role in preserving cognitive function. Recent studies have highlighted the link between vascular health and dementia, emphasizing the importance of a heart-healthy lifestyle in mitigating risk. This connection underscores the need for comprehensive health strategies that address both heart and brain health. Emerging research has also shed light on the impact of social determinants of health, such as loneliness and social isolation, on cognitive decline. These factors can significantly affect mental well-being and cognitive resilience. Studies suggest that individuals experiencing chronic loneliness face a significantly higher risk of developing dementia, independent of age and other risk factors. This highlights the importance of fostering social connections and community support. This emphasizes the importance of social connectedness and engagement in maintaining cognitive well-being. Participating in social activities and building strong relationships can serve as protective factors against cognitive decline. Understanding these risk factors is crucial in developing targeted prevention strategies and early intervention programs. By identifying and addressing these factors early, we can create more effective approaches to delay or prevent the onset of dementia. By addressing modifiable risk factors, we can empower individuals to take charge of their cognitive health and potentially delay or even prevent the onset of dementia. This proactive approach offers hope for a future with reduced dementia prevalence.